Hey, what you doing?
I'm listening to nature.
Oh yeah? What's it sound like?
Come here. Come try.
Hey, wait, what are you... Hey, what are you doing? Hey, whoa, wait, alright. Stop, give me back my wallet. Lady, that's not funny. Oh, thank God. Listen, I know this looks kind of funny, but I was walking down the path before and I saw this girl. She was hugging this tree, and I asked her what she was doing. She said she was listening to nature. And so I said, can I try? And she's like, all right. So then I put my head against the tree here, and she slapped on these handcuffs when I wasn't looking. And then she took my wallet and she walked away. And I've been here for like 2 hours, just waiting for someone to come along. So, can you help me?
Well, I guess today just ain't your lucky day.